Hi there. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to discuss about iPhone 17 Pro material. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the like button. This is the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's newest Pro model that's supposed to be the most advanced iPhone ever created. Sleeker, lighter, more futuristic. And yes, it comes with the biggest design overhaul we've seen in years. But here's the twist. Behind the bold marketing and shiny reveal, there's a huge problem. For the first time in a long while, Apple's most premium iPhone may actually feel less premium. And it all comes down to one thing: durability. Let me break this down. Remember the iPhone X? That was the phone that completely changed Apple's design language. Glass front, glass back, stainless steel frame. Heavy, yes, but it felt like you were holding a luxury product that could survive daily life. Apple stuck with that tough stainless steel all the way up to the iPhone 14 Pro. Then came the iPhone 15 Pro. Titanium. Lighter, stronger, and surprisingly premium. Fans loved it. Even Samsung took notes and launched its Galaxy S24 Ultra with titanium sides. Fast forward to today. With the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple made a radical shift. They ditched titanium. Instead, they went with a new aluminum unibody design. On paper, Apple says it's stronger and smarter. But in the real world, the story is very different. Here's the issue. This new aluminum design is way more prone to scratches. And not after months, sometimes just hours of normal use. A coin in your pocket, your car keys, or even a small drop onto the table is enough to leave permanent marks. Compare that to the iPhone 16 Pro, which was noticeably more resilient in the same everyday tests. So why did Apple make this decision? Let's rewind. If Apple had stuck with titanium in a unibody frame, two major issues would have popped up. First, weight. Titanium is denser, which would have made the iPhone 17 Pro one of the heaviest smartphones on the planet. A few grams might not sound like a big deal, but when you're holding the phone for hours or using it lying down, it gets uncomfortable fast. Second, heat. We all remember the overheating mess with the iPhone 15 Pro. Titanium just isn't great at dissipating heat. That means weaker performance, faster throttling, and shorter battery life. Not exactly pro material. So, Apple made a trade-off. They gave up some durability in exchange for better cooling, lighter weight, and higher efficiency. And yes, aluminum is also cheaper to produce, which means Apple gets higher margins without raising the price. Smart move for Apple. But what about for you, the user? Here's the reality. The iPhone 17 Pro still looks gorgeous. The unibody feels more solid, with less glass and more metal overall. But because of the anodized finish and those sharp edge cuts around the frame and camera island, scratches show up faster, especially in the new deep blue and cosmic orange finishes. Silver models hide them much better. So what's the solution? If you own or plan to buy the iPhone 17 Pro, use a case to protect the sides and edges. Or, if you love rocking your phone naked, avoid the darker colors, because scratches will stand out more. Now, is this a downgrade? That depends on how you see it. If you value lighter weight, better heat management, and stronger overall performance, the iPhone 17 Pro still delivers. But if you're expecting titanium-level toughness like last year, you might walk away disappointed. And here's the plot twist. Apple's base iPhone 17 doesn't have this issue. In fact, many reviewers say it feels more pro in daily use than the Pro itself. So, what do you think? Did Apple make the right trade?